Hello my beautiful friends and welcome. I have the Play by Sephora box here for you. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, and the occasional giveaway. Speaking of giveaways, we've got a big one for you this week. In honor of our 50th video, we'll be shooting that shortly. We will also be having a giveaway when this channel reaches 100 subscribers, so make sure that you are subscribed for that. If you are new to Play by Sephora, it is a $10 a month beauty subscription. They ship out mostly samples, and it's usually about 5 to 6 samples in that for you, and all products are obviously that you can get at purchase on your own at Sephora. So when you open the box, it kind of looks like this. It says show off and share using hashtag SephoraPlay. There's always a card in here that talks about the products, as well as you can get, if you buy anything online within the month, you can get 50 extra bonus points. And then all of your products come in this cute little zipper bag. So here's kind of what the card itself looks like. And then on the back here, it talks about all the different products. There are different variations that you can get. So let's open this up. So the first item in here is by Amika. It is their Perk Up Dry Shampoo. The net weight on this is 0.75 an ounce. The full size does retail for $25, and I know a lot of you swear by the Amika products. It is an oil absorbing spray that instantly refreshes hair and adds volume. This quick no-wash cleanser is a perfect match for the second day hair. It leaves strands soft, smooth, and volumizing. Plus the scent is so fresh. Shake well and hold it up 10 to 12 inches from your hair and apply to roots before using thoroughly. I don't use a dry shampoo, so I'm going to pass this on and put it in that upcoming giveaway. I do really wish that occasionally Sephora would put in full-size products, because I know like Macy's Beauty Box does that. It's mainly samples and they'll put one full size, and especially when a product is the Sephora brand itself, I feel like it could easily lead to that. So this one though is by the Sephora brand. It is their Lash Craft Big Volume Mascara. It's a full volume mascara that coats lashes in saturated black shade. It is a spring must-have that gets lashes look thicker and bolder with this buildable mascara that provides maximum definition. Plus it uses jojoba oil and prevents flaking, smudging, or clumping. Wiggle brush at the root of the lashes, then pull through the coat tips. Repeat as desired. The full size of this does retail for $14. I'm not going to open this one because I have so many mascaras already open. And obviously mascaras go bad really quickly, so you don't want to have too many of them open. Here's a cult favorite. It is Supergoop. It's everything under the sun, unseen sunscreen, broad spectrum SPF 40, an invisible, weightless, scentless sunscreen that provides broad spectrum SPF 40 protection. The innovative sunscreen uses a unique oil-free formula, which I really love that it's oil-free. Easily glides onto skin, plus it provides shine control and delivers a velvety makeup gripping finish. So can you use this almost as a primer as well, which I love, you know, multi-dimensional use products. You apply a dime-size amount after your skincare routine and before putting on your makeup. Don't forget to reapply every 2 hours. So the full size of this does retail for $32. Here we have by Makeup Forever. It is their new Ultra HD. It is an invisible cover. It's in the shade R230, a lightweight medium coverage foundation that hydrates skin for an even complexion. The spring makeup bag essential provides seamless sheer coverage that lasts, ideal for all skin types, and leaves you with a comfortable, natural finish. Apply 2 pumps in a thin layer beginning in the center of your face and then spread outward. The full size of this does retail for $43. I have been on the market for a kind of a full coverage new foundation, and I think that this color might be a little light. So let's see if I can kind of sheer it out a little bit. So it's not too bad. That's what it kind of looks like on the back of the hand. It does kind of look like this. Here we have by Cicapair. It is The Grass is Always Greener. It is a product by Dr. Jart. It's a Cicapair Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment SPF 30 all-in-one treatment that tones down redness and helps prevent skin from environmental stressors. Full size of this does retail for $52. Ooh, it does have kind of like this mint green color in it. It almost sounds like a seagrass type smell to it. And that color will help with, you know, color correcting any of the redness. So the color correcting formula turns from green to beige to help cover redness or blemishes, plus it provides an SPF of 30 protection while restoring fatigue to skin. And you apply after cleansing a dime-sized amount to skin. The cream will change from green to beige as you blend it in. So lastly, we have by Madison Margiela. It is the Eau de Toilette Replica perfume. It is a bottle version of a cozy, toasty night in by fire with warm, sweet, gourmand notes. The Replica fragrance is a collection from Parisian fashion house Madison Margiela. They evoke scents etched in specific places, times, and memories. Fragrance family is warm and spicy. It has a note of the clove oil, chestnut accord, base note of vanilla. I don't like that. Oh no. I don't know if it's turned bad. I don't know if it naturally smells this way, but you know, I always give you guys my honest review, and this is just stinky to me. So this box, I'm not as happy with. I have had better boxes in the past. There is nothing in this box that I was like, wow about. There's obviously some products that I was not wow about. Let me know below if I should keep getting this box. I've had a couple boxes now where I'm just not quite so sure about Sephora Play. Let me know in the comments below what you think I should do. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. It really means a lot to me when you subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.